Hello friends, welcome back to Wing's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make onion vadagam or Thalippu Vengaya Vadagam. This onion vadagam is used for instant seasoning of sambar, rasam, chutney and many more side dishes. It gives a very great flavor to the dish. You can store this onion vadagam or Thalippu Vengaya Vadagam for 1 year time. This will be of very great help when you are on short of onions or any other seasoning ingredient. Very easy to make, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I have taken 1 kg of shallots. Peel off the skin, clean wash it, pat it dry with a cloth and keep this ready. Now transfer it to a mixer jar and grind it coarsely. You can run twice or thrice in pulse mode to get them crushed. If you prefer not grinding them, you can chop them finely, but grinding coarsely will save a lot of time. Make sure not to use a chopper. The shallots will lose out a lot of water. It will become difficult to achieve the proper consistency. Now we are ready with grinding all the shallots. To this add a teaspoon of turmeric powder and a teaspoon of salt. Mix it well and make sure the powder ingredients are well spread. Adding salt will make sure the onion vadagam or Thalippu Vengaya Vadagam stays long. Now it's all nicely mixed, so split the content into 3 parts and spread it well. This helps for the shallots to dry up soon. Make sure you have enough spacing in between. Now we are ready with 3 portions of the onion vadagam or Thalippu Vengaya Vadagam. So let's now sun dry for 1 day until the stickiness of the onions are no more. Now it's been 1 day and onions are nice and dry. It's no more sticking to my hands. I have transferred all the 3 portions to a single plate now. Now let's add few more ingredients to this. Add 15 cloves of crushed garlic. You can add along with the peel. I have taken a bunch of curry leaves. Roughly break them into halves and then add them. Then add a tablespoon of fennel seeds, a tablespoon of Fenugreek, 2 tablespoons of mustard seed, 2 tablespoons of cumin seed, 2 tablespoons of Urad Dhal and a teaspoon of Asafoetida. Mix all the ingredients well and make sure all the ingredients are well spread. Now it's all nicely mixed, so go ahead and add 5 tablespoons of castor oil. Mix it well. Make sure not to replace any other oil with castor oil. This is a very important ingredient to make the onion vadagam or Thalippu Vengaya Vadagam. This castor oil makes the onion vadagam to stay long and retain the color of the onion vadagam or Thalippu Vengaya Vadagam. Once it's nicely mixed, pull out a small portion and make a smooth ball out of it. In the beginning, it will be a little difficult to make a ball. Press it hard and make balls so that they don't crumble when drying. Now we have a very smooth ball. Likewise, make all the balls and keep it ready. You can make around 10 to 15 onion vadagam based on the size you make. Now we are ready with all the balls, so let's now go and dry them for 10 days. You can dry them from 9 am to 5 pm in direct sun and then close it with a lid and place it in your kitchen or somewhere where it is a little hot. Likewise, repeat for 10 days to get nice onion vadagam or Thalippu Vengaya Vadagam. Now it's been 10 days and our onion vadagam or Thalippu Vengaya Vadagam is nice and dry. You can store it in an airtight container and use for 1 year time. Whenever you are making sambar or karakorambu or rasam or any other side dish, just break the onion vadagam into a small portion and fry in oil and add it to the dish. This adds a very great flavor to the dish. Very easy and a healthy recipe, so do try this onion vadagam or Thalippu Vengaya Vadagam recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.